Guys, so this is basically what I got. I ordered from the Yum family shop. I saw a little advert and I decided to go and try it. So it came in well packaged, as you can see here. So yeah, well packaged and little plug. But yeah, so it comes in. That was on top. Let me see. The Yum family shop, www.yumbiltong.com. When you support a family business, you make a dream come true. That's so true. So everything is packaged good. You got your little receipts in there. Good packaging, as you can see. Is every little thing individually wrapped? It is. There you go, everyone. Yum Biltong, www.yumbiltong.shop. Made with love by the Yum Biltong family. Well, they got a lot of love going into their parcels. Every little thing is packaged. That's packaged lovely. Nice packaging, gotta admit. So let's see what this one is. That's their one for them. Look at that. Good. Okay, so there's a couple of things in here. Oops, sorry, give me 1 second. Yeah. So, I'm just going to put the phone here. Give me 1 second. The phone can go here. I'm going to open this. Let's see what this is. Oh, yes. Nom 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 nom. I love my biltong. The biltong and dry war. Absolutely lovely. Dry meat, very good. Best before is perfect. Look, it's not going to last a day. So the best before is brilliant. Good, the best before date on it. That's the first one, so I'll put that over there. Good packaging as well. I think this is the other one. Oh yes, it is. Look at that. Sorry, the freaking video is going blurry. There we go. That looks so good. What are you doing, Lucky? Cat's gone on hyper, so there you go. Yum, 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 yum. It's absolutely yummy. I love these stuff. So good. So I'll put that one over there with the rest. So, let me just... What are you doing? Right, my cat's gone hyper. So I'll just open this one. So these are my beefies. They're like the pepperoni sticks, but I really like these ones as well. Beefies, so good, tasty, tasty, tasty. I always like to try a few snacks and stuff, so hang on, I'm just going to put the lid there in a second. Just like open that one. So, my salami sticks. I haven't tried these ones, so I wanted to get these and try them. Because I like the Indiana stuff as well. So, these ones, you get 2 little sticks in them. So, try this one. See what this is here. What's this? Oh, it's a free gift. Thank you, guys. A lot of little lollipops. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lollipop. Oh, it's got a little thing on it there, look. Free gift. Thank you for your order. It means the world to us. At www.yumbiltong. Always will support small shops. So let's put that there. These are going to be the drinks. When you support. Yep. I wanted to get these drinks because I got them for family as well. Oh, yes, look at that. Cream soda. Oh, that's nice. So, they didn't have the bars cream soda, but they gave us this one, which is more expensive, to be honest, and it's really good. Oh, they got a little note there as well. That's nice. Replaced cream soda. This one is more expensive with a smiley face and a heart. Much love to them. That's nice. Nice that they've done that. Thank you very much, guys. So, I think I know what this one is. Give me one second. Oh, yes. The bubblegum one. So, I got this for me and my brother. So, yes. And then the other one, as you can probably tell, oh, yeah, hang on. Oh my days. I'm not good at these unpacking videos, am I, guys? So you can rest there. Go on, rest there. Yes, stay. Good foam. Yeah, it's another one of the bubblegum ones. So yeah, they're really good. Everything's arrived. Let me just get it all together for, and then the packaging is very good. I've read to them a couple of times as well. Stay. So yeah, I'll definitely be ordering from the Yum family again. The value, I gotta admit, was fantastic as well. What is it? Oh, what's this? Oh, yes. I'm a big olive fan, so I had to try the olives from there. These look absolutely gorgeous. Num 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 num. Mixed split olives. Okay, so that's that one. I like the little free gift. That was lovely of them. So this is a small family-run business, the Yum Family Shop. They're on TikTok. They got a little site, and also on YouTube as well. Man, their packaging is fantastic. Alright, okay. So they gave me some more olives. Replaced with the two as they did not have the other. So that's cool. That's what I like. That's nice of them. I love the little writing they do, and a little note with the heart and the... Let's see what this is. I got open it. There we go. And it didn't take that long either. It was just, I think, maybe just over a week or just under, something like that. But really, really good. I'm glad and happy that I got my order. I got a couple of messages asking me, did I get my order? Not from them, but from other people on TikTok. So I haven't tried these properly, so I wanted to try them. The lupin, they look good. Num num. It's a little snack. So right, all together, there you go. Everything did arrive. Wee, they look light. Let there be light. So I got the bar sodas, the salamis. Oh shit! I got the free gift from them, which is really nice. Dracula. That's a nice bag of goodies too. Thank you. Couple olives, the biltong and the beefy. So good biltong too. So thank you to Yum Family Shop, and much love back to you all. Really nice to replace that one, because that was my father's one. I got him the cream soda because he loves it. So yeah, perfect shop, absolutely brilliant. The Yum Family Shop. So there you go, Yum Biltong, www.yumbiltong.shop, and you're supporting small little business, which is really good. So yeah, there you go. As it says there, when you support a family business, you make a dream come true. To the Yum Family Shop, apparently they were going through some hard times, and they've overcome all that, and I'm glad to help them with a small delivery. So I'll definitely be doing another order. So much love. Thank you to Yum Family Shop for the amazing stuff, and thank you for the lollies. Nom, 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 nom. So yeah, there we go everyone. Amazing shop. Okay, so I forgot to open this one. So here we are. There's some yummy glazed donuts. So there we go, guys. Nice. That's everything. That's the business. The Yum Family Shop. So yeah, this is the YouTube channel. Give them a follow and give them a like and check. And the same here with TikTok. So thanks again for the replacements and the free gift.